Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Angel from Angel's Car Reviews. It is another day in which to excel. I am back with another car review. This afternoon, I present you a full in-depth tour and walk-around look of this one immaculate like brand new condition 2002 Honda S2000. And this could be a full in-depth tour of the S2000. I'm going to walk around the car. I'm gonna pop the hood and show the engine, the exterior and the interior throughout the video. And so, without further ado, let's go and hop on in. We'll start the engine. Let's walk around the exterior, show the interior works, and see how it does. Here goes the key fob. You do have your unlock to release the trunk and the panic button. And here goes the key. The color of the exterior is white. And you also do have your red leather interior. The driver's seat is a bit rough shaped, but not a big deal. This car does have a 6-speed manual transmission. I'm not gonna start it up just in case it does have a stick shift, so I will show you how the features work and all that good stuff. Here's the key. Nice. Let's turn on the heat. Let's turn on the AC because it's getting hot out here. Nice. 3-spoke design wheel, without steering wheel. It's got both training sections off to the side. Like I said, it's a 6-speed manual. 6-speed manual gearbox. The parking brake is hand operated. Alright, so let's go and turn on the headlights. Hazards. Driver's window is automatic. And let's check out the exterior.
That's yours? Well, yep. Okay.
Here's your Michelin tires There are alloy wheels. Alright, let's come pop the hood. Under the hood, you will find it's a dual overhead cut V-TEC engine. Your battery is over there. There's your oil. Your washer fluid. All right. Here's your tachometer, your temperature, your fuel gauge, your cruise control, oil controls, volume controls. You have your engine stop button. Simple to use, climate control, your fan speed, your temperature, different zones, recirculation, air conditioning. Coming to the center stack, you do have your AM/FM radio with CD player.
Lacking in confidence that they can beat him at the ballot box, and now the result is that not only are they probably not going to beat him at the ballot box, they're not going to be.
Cup holders, storage. I think this is to remove the convertible top. Manual dimming with a mirror. Interior map lights. Your cruise control. Windshield wipers. High speed and low speed. Very nice. Alrighty then. And let's go and shut down the S2000. Okay, now let's check it. Now let's check the rest of the vehicle. There's no glove box. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the full in-depth tour and walk-around look of this 2002 Honda S2000. And oh, let me forget to show you. This car was made in August of 2002. Alright, now we come to the conclusion. Hope you guys enjoyed the full in-depth tour and walk-around look of this 2002 Honda S2000. Please don't forget to leave a like down below because it certainly helps the videos a lot. And if you haven't subscribed already, consider doing that too. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss up on the upcoming videos. This is Angel's Car Reviews. Sign off. Thanks for watching and goodbye.